Hi, this is going to be a really quick video on how to make a virtual consultation booking with me, Jo Abbott. You will firstly, on the homepage, you need to go to Services. Click on Services and then you'll see Telemedicine. Click on Telemedicine. On this page, lots of different services, but we're going to focus in on the virtual consultation. You'll need to click on this button here to make your booking. More information. And as it says, there is more information on this page. To make your booking though, you need to focus on my working schedule diary. So these are the hours that I'm available for virtual consultations. To make your booking, you'll need to choose a date. When you've chosen your date, then click on the date. It will then offer you a start time and an end time. Choose your start time and choose your end time that works with what we've discussed in your free consultation. Remember, there are generally bookings after your appointment, so you can always overestimate your time, for example, 90 minutes here, and that will ensure we have a full 90 minutes to get all the information we need to allow me to support you. If you book 60 minutes, generally, I have somebody lined up after you within half an hour, and the half an hour that I allow myself is to write notes. So always overestimate this, sorry. If we don't use the full 90 minutes, I'll refund you through your payment process anyway. So always overestimate this. If you want the full 2 hours, take the full 2 hours. That ensures that you've got 120 minutes to give me all your information. If we don't use that 120 minutes, I will always refund you back into the account that you've paid me from. Hopefully that makes sense. When you've got to this point, you just click book now, and then you'll get confirmation emails and lots of other stuff with regards to the appointment you've made. I hope that's been helpful. I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.